Hey guys, there was a major car accident happened at the 11, I guess it's about 11:15. And what you see on the right, this is a car crash into the bus from the behind. And when this drunk driver came into this intersection, ignoring the red light, and was high speeded and pushed this car and another car and the small car on the truck, and finally after crashing the bus and stopped it. And the accident itself happened, it's around the 11:15, but right now it's about close to 3:30. They are still blockaded this area, and in order to open up this road, you have to remove the car left at the end, the middle. It's gonna hard to trying to pull the car by the tractors. So policeman is very cautiously walking, even though after 4 hours after an accident. And never seen anything like this as a major car accident here in this area. Usually this location is very quiet, but today is, look at this site, such a mess. And this is the right one's crash. And this the little car, which is the K car, the right is before crashing into the bus, they pushed that one. This is the first car, they push it from, this is the car driving toward the Chuo Station. The white car coming from a Chuo into the other direction. This is because of today is Children's Day, which is the holiday. As I after seeing in the video clip, who are captured by the recording unit by the car. And here what happened is with the white car, which is like a Mercedes, is high speed without the people, some of the pedestrians are crossing this pedestrian road, but in order to avoid the pedestrian, I guess it crashed the other car on the opposite direction, then hit another K car, and without using the brake pad, crash into the bus. That's what happened to here at the Yokosuka today. That's a tragedy.